want to boost the pet industry of Pakistan. Over here we have different kinds of pets and animals. We have different pet foods with us, pet accessories and grooming services with us. We have cute hamsters, kittens, dogs and almost every kind of birds over here. And other than this, they can get their pets groomed over here. There are different activities going on as well.
This is a great initiative, and because there's a lot of pet lovers over here in Islamabad, but there's not many opportunities to go around and see a lot of pets. So this is amazing. I love over here.